Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews of the products that truly make a difference. Today, we're going to talk about the Therabath Paraffin Wax Refill, a product that stands out as one of the best paraffin wax options for your hands, feet, and even your body. If you're looking for an easy and effective way to relieve muscle stiffness, dry skin, or discomfort caused by conditions like arthritis, this might be exactly what you need. The Therabath Paraffin Wax Refill is a premium product that offers deep hydration and soothing relief through thermotherapy. Whether you're looking to pamper your skin or manage muscle stiffness, this wax is designed to provide both. It's made in the USA with high-quality, therapeutic-grade ingredients that promise to leave your skin feeling soft, youthful, and deeply moisturized. What makes this paraffin wax refill stand out is its softness and pliability. Unlike some other paraffin waxes that can be brittle and messy, Therabath's formula is smooth and flexible, making it easy to work with. Whether you're using it for a home spa treatment or as part of a rehabilitation process for hand mobility, this wax allows you to build thick, pliable layers that help your skin absorb moisture and warmth. Another impressive feature is its cleanliness. The Therabath wax is paraben-free and hypoallergenic, ensuring that it's gentle on your skin. You won't have to worry about residue left behind after your treatment, which can often be an issue with other paraffin waxes. It's also lightly scented with therapeutic-grade essential oils, providing a calming experience without being overwhelming. In addition to its moisturizing properties, this paraffin wax has been clinically proven to relieve muscle stiffness and discomfort. It's perfect for anyone dealing with conditions like arthritis, as the warmth helps to increase blood circulation and ease joint pain. Plus, if you're recovering from an injury or just want to relax after a long day, a paraffin wax bath is a fantastic way to soothe sore muscles. Whether you choose the clean scent or opt for one of the other fragrance options like lavender harmony or eucalyptus rosemary mint, Therabath offers a variety of choices to enhance your experience. The wax comes in a 6-pound package, and it's available in convenient 1-pound bags that are easy to handle and store. So, if you're looking for a high-quality, effective paraffin wax to improve your skin and provide therapeutic benefits, the Therabath Paraffin Wax Refill is a top choice. It's easy to use, clean, and offers numerous benefits for both your skin and muscles. You can use it in any paraffin bath, making it versatile and an essential addition to your wellness routine. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews of the best products out there. We'll see you in the next video.